Hello guys, welcome to day 157 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Yesterday and about 2 days ago, I tried to create a button for light mode and dark mode, but I wasn't successful to create that button. And I did some coding, but my codes didn't work. And also I searched on Google, Stack Overflow. I didn't found any nice answer for that. But today I searched for a video tutorial in YouTube from a guy who teach programming, and he was teaching about how to create that dark and light mode for a website. So it's about 25 minutes of video. I still didn't watch it yet because I didn't have time for that. But I'm going to watch it until tomorrow. But right now, before I start to continue working on that toggle button, that light or dark mode button, I found a comment in the YouTube that one of you guys explained what is wrong with my code in the comment section. So I'm going to read that for you as well. So maybe that's going to help us find the solution. And one other thing that I'm going to do today is I learned in JavaScript that how can I add a sound when user click on a button. So I never practiced this code, but I just watched the tutorial a couple of days ago, so I want now to practice that as well. So for the light and dark mode that I have created, I want that when a user click on that button, a sound will be played. So what I'm going to use is add event listener. It's a practice for now. I don't know if I can make it. So let's just getting started to doing this. First of all, let's open VS Code. So this is my codes that were supposed to create a toggle button, but it didn't work. So this is the page of my website, and this is the button for light and dark mode. Let's check that comment first. I hope I found it. Here is the comment. So here the turtle div has been said that I think that the reason for the color of your body not changing might be a specificity. So if you don't know, in the last video I tried to change the color when the user click on the light and dark mode button, but it didn't change the color of the body tag. So this user told that the problem is a specificity, which is the algorithm used by browser to determine the CSS declaration that is the most relevant to an element. Basically, let's say your body looks like this. The body tag have two classes here, A and B. The body has two classes. In the style sheet, they look something like this. Dot class, background dot color. So here it's he said or she said that we have defined two different color for the background of a body tag. So in this case, what background color do you think the body will have? Pink. It's pink because the B class has a higher specificity than since specified then. Since it's declared, I don't know the meaning of declared. So let me use the Google Translate to find out what is declare. Declare meaning. Okay. Where we was after A in your style sheet. This is the order of specificity from highest to lowest. Style, attribute, ID, class, element. So the style attribute will always be the most important and the element will be the last important. From what I saw, the way you set your background color for the body is with the style attribute. Tag body, style background color, RGB. So because of specificity, even if you were to give the body the class dark background, it will still have a white background because the style attribute has the highest specificity. Instead, you could set the background color of your body in the style sheet. Body, background color, RGB. And remove the style attribute. I have never written jQuery, so I don't know if what you wrote is correct, but you could always inspect the page and see if the class of the body changes. Hope this helps you and keep up the good work. Thank you so much for the explanation. I'm going to test what you have said. I'm going to check my codes to see if I put two different colors for my codes. Thank you so much for the time that you have put in order to write this comment. It's so valuable for me. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see if we have two different colors. So yes, in the body style tag, we defined a color, okay? And here we have said, does it have a class ID port body? So here we set other body color, right? But I have a question, and the question is, I put the CDN link in my index.html, the CDN style sheet, the CDN link for CSS style sheet in the HTML, index.html, okay? This is the main page of my website. But I didn't put the CDN link here in my portfolio HTML file. So how this interrupt each other? Because in my JS style, I have said that when the user click on button D. Button D is here. Okay, the button D is the name of the class of the button of the website. So when the user click on that button, the dark background color or the port body will be mentioned, and we can toggle class to dark background. Let's see if I have another. Does we have set another color for our body tag here? No, we didn't do that. So the problem is right here, I think, as my friend has been said. So I have to remove this. I have to remove this. Instead, you could set the background color of your body in this style sheet. Body background. And remove this style attribute. Okay, let's do some practice here. Removing this one. Let's see what difference make. So right now the body background is dark. It's dark because in the style sheet we have said the background color should be black. Okay. For now, the body background color is this one, right? And we wanted to change to this one. Let's put this one, cut it and paste it right after this one, so we can have a clear vision. Right now we have to work with these two guys. Let me remove this one and undo commenting, pressing Ctrl S and Ctrl S. Didn't work. It didn't work. I have an idea, and the idea is, what if I bring back what I have cut from here? Oops. Let's define it again. Style. Style. Background color to white. Okay. CSS style in line syntax. I forgot the syntax. Let me tell you what I have in my mind. What is the idea? I want to bring back this color in the inline mode like before, so the specificity that our dear friend has been said still has been here, but when the user click on the button, so click here, this piece of code will be removed from my codes. I don't know their syntax for removing a piece of code, but I remember that there was a code existing, so I can search it on Google. But before that, let's define a background color for our body tag again, but I forgot how to add that in line. So I was right. Style, put some color, etc. Okay, so this is, I think, true. Yes, it worked. So let's search for the removing, how to remove a code in jQuery. Remove. So I think we have to say when the user click on button D, this function should be happen. Press Ctrl S. Let's check our website. Please work. Didn't work. Okay. Maybe I typed the syntax in a wrong manner. How to remove a script using jQuery to remove the element itself as remove. I should specify what to remove, right? So let's check some example here. Let's see if it have some example. So remove this element when user click on button D function. Remove this element, the port body. Remove the color. We should have to say remove the color. Remove the... It gave me an error here which says expected here. So let's check the results. Come on. I thought that if I use the CSS background color black, it will change it to black. Maybe I have to say remove the CSS. The menu has this background style sheet information. So add a class. I remember in the videos that I found something about adding a class. Let me search it on Google. How to add a class in jQuery. So I think it's not going to work because it will. It said that this method adds one or more class names to the selected element. This method does not remove existing class attributes. It only adds one or more class names to the class attribute. So it will not going to solve this problem. How to remove a CSS from jQuery in jQuery. In the same way, you can add classes to an element with jQuery add class function. You can remove them with jQuery remove class function. Here is how you would do this for a specific button. Blah blah, that remove class, and this is the class, I think. Remove class, target 2. Okay, copy, paste. Let's say port body I have an idea. First, let's copy this one, put it in head tag right after the title tag. Head tag right after the title tag. So this is the CDN link for CSS. I hope I don't forget what is in my mind. Now let's create a class for this. Okay, another class which is white background to white. Okay, and let's say class of white background. Come on, white background. Control S. When I open the website right now, nothing should be changed. Come on, it's changed. So let's remove this. Okay. plus white background. I'm confusing here. Alright, I spent 31 minutes. I think the only solution right now that I have is the video that I found from a programmer in YouTube. I'm going to watch it carefully and see what he have done in the video and testing it tomorrow, and if it was working, I'm going to share with you the link that I have been used in order to learn about how to create a dark and light mode button. So let's check this video tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.